Hello guys, welcome back to how to improve your email deliverability in 2024. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the most important strategy. Now, in the previous video, I showed you how to buy a domain and my top recommended platform to buy the domain, which is Bluehost. And you can find the affiliate link in the description box below. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you after buying the domain from Bluehost, now how to create a customized email address with the domain which you have bought, and with that email address, how we are going to link the email address with the email warm-up tool. Now, before talking about the email warm-up tool, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any important tutorial series or any how-to guides in the future. Now, let's get straight to my Bluehost account and show you how to create a custom email address. Now, this is my Bluehost account, and when you log into your Bluehost account after buying your domain, you will reach this page. Now, over to the left, you can see the home, my sites, marketplace, email and office, domains, and advanced. Now, just go to the domains, and when you click on my domains, now this is the domain which I have bought earlier, but I have not used this domain. So I'm just going to use this domain to show you step by step so that you can understand, guys. Now, this is the domain evergreenemailsuccess.com. I always request you to use .com domains, which will look more authentic. Once you have bought this custom domain, now you should go to the advanced section, click on the advanced section. So once you click on the advanced section, it takes you to the cPanel section where you can create your email address. Now go to email accounts. Over here, you can see one of the email addresses which I have created, but I have not used it. So let me show you how to create an email address. Now go and click on the plus button over here, create. So over here, type in the username. So I'm just going to enter it as help@evergreenemailsuccess.com and enter the password. So you should remember this password. This password will be used while we are going to connect with the third-party email warm-up tool. So once you have entered the password, you can go and click on create. So now it's creating an email account. So success, you have created help@evergreenemailsuccess.com. So your email address is created. So over here, you can see there are 3 available and 2 used. What is this? Actually, these are the email accounts that you can create for a single domain under Bluehost. So Bluehost allows you to create 5 different email addresses under a single domain. Guys, that's how you create an email address using Bluehost. Now, the next step is you need to warm up your email address. Now, how do you warm up your email address? There are 2 ways you can warm up your email address: the manual way and the automatic software. Now, there are a number of different third-party softwares that are capable of warming up your email address. Now, you might get a question, why do we need to warm up your email address? If you're an affiliate marketer or an email marketer sending emails, then you definitely need to warm up your email address. And if you're someone who is using completely a new email address, and after the Gmail and Yahoo updates of 2024, you need to warm up your email address before sending it to your subscribers, guys, because Google and Yahoo are very stringent with new email senders. And if you're not warming up your email address, or if you're not authenticating your email address, they are going to send your emails directly to spam folder. You don't want that to happen when you're sending emails to your subscribers. First, warm up your email address. And normally you need to warm up your email address for at least 2 weeks, which is the bare minimum. Or what I would suggest is, please warm up your email address at least 45 days before sending it to your subscribers, guys. Now, the email warm-up tool that I would recommend you is warmbase.io. Now, you can check my affiliate link in the description box below, and you can subscribe through my affiliate link, and there will be no extra charges that is going to be charged to you. It will just motivate me to put out more valuable content for you. So when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach this page, warmbase.io. So here you can see maximizing email open rates with email warm-up solution. So you can sign up with email or sign up with Google. So now let's talk about the plans, email warm-up plans. So there are 3 different plans: starter, professional, and advanced plan. As a complete beginner, I would suggest you to go for the starter plan, which is $9, which is very cheap, guys. And once you start to scale your subscribers, when your subscribers count reach more than 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, then you can switch over to professional and advanced plan eventually. So $9 is nothing but $9 per email per month, which means that $9 for one email address for 1 month. And if you have really got the budget, then you can go for the yearly plan. If not, you can go for the monthly plan. Once you click on the sign up with email button, it will ask you to enter your name, email address, and then once you sign up, then it will ask you to subscribe to the plan, and you can subscribe to the starter plan, and then you can just add your credit card and or PayPal details, and then just make the payment. And once you make the payment, you will reach this page where you can add the inboxes. So here you can just go over here, click on this add inbox, and over here you can see first step is select mail service, second step is connect your inbox, and third step is customize your warm-up option. Now just go straight over to others and click on next button. So here you have to enter your settings. Now where do I get the settings? Now you have to straight go to your Bluehost account where you have created the email address. You should go back to your cPanel where you have created the email address help@evergreenemailsuccess.com. Now over here, just go to the right and click on the connect devices. So once you click on the connect devices, you just scroll down and over here you can see the username, incoming server, outgoing server. Now over here, what is the name? There are 2 things, which is SMTP settings, outgoing email, and IMAP settings, incoming email. You have to configure both these. So the name will be the sender name. This will be the sender name that you will use to send your emails to your subscribers. So in this case, I'm just going to use my name, Mano, and automatically it will appear over here. And the email, now you have to copy the email address from Bluehost. This is the email address which we have created right now. Just copy it and go to Warmbase and just paste over here. And server, what do you mean by server? Just go to Bluehost. And here there are 2 things, incoming server and outgoing server. So the server is nothing but the mail.evergreenemailsuccess.com. Go back to Warmbase and you can just copy the server over here and over here. And port. Now outgoing email SMTP settings, we have to enter the port. Now go back to Bluehost. Outgoing server SMTP. So it is 465. Just copy this 465 and paste over here. Now port over here for IMAP settings, incoming email. Go to Bluehost and IMAP settings port is 993. Just copy it and paste over here. Now encryption is nothing but SSL. Just type in SSL small caps and over here the same thing. Now the username will be the email ID itself. So just copy the email and just paste over here. And password. This password will be the one which we have used to create our email address. So just paste the password. Once it is done, just click on test connection. So now it is success. The connection has been done. Now next step is to choose the method how to warm up your email address. Now there are 3 different plans: grow, progressive, flat, randomized. As a complete new email address, just go for grow progressive. By default, it shows 40 emails, but as per the plan, it is 50. So just enter it as 50. Reply rate per day will be 30. Warm up start from 2. So just go and click on start. Congratulations, your inbox warm up has been started. So that's how you can warm up your email address, guys. So the status is active. Now, what exactly Warmbase does? Now, Warmbase has an integrated email accounts of hundreds, not thousands, 10,000s of email accounts connected internally with this server. And with that, your email address will connect with other email addresses, and in turn, they will send emails from your email address to other email accounts in their integrated network. So once they send emails from your email address to the other email accounts, what happens is that if your emails land in the spam or promotions folder, they manually pull it from the spam or promotion folder into the inbox. And even better, according to the plan, they even reply certain percentage of your emails. In turn, this sends an important signal to Google, guys, or Yahoo, whatever it might be, which means that this is a legitimate email address and people are replying to it. So that is what the Google algorithm wants. And this also can be done manually by creating like 20 to 25 Gmail addresses of your friends or families, and start sending these emails from the email address which you have created now, and try to reply back from those email addresses to your email address. Now, this is going to be manual, and this takes time, and it's going to be tedious job. But when you choose a software like Wormbase, it is done automatically at the back end from Wormbase. If you're someone who's a complete beginner and serious about making money online and really want to live a laptop lifestyle, or if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, or if you want to build an online business or a sustainable online business that is going to last for years, please check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below. So once you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits. Now, this is the program from my own mentor, Ben from Singapore. Now, he has 3 different levels of mentorship program in order you to succeed online. So the first one is Beginners Club, the second one is Star Club, and the third one is the Inner Circle. So Beginners Club is $97 one time, and what you get in Beginners Club. Now, in Beginners Club, you have more than 100 videos of training where you can learn the top 4 strategies that all marketers out there on the planet use in order to make a fortune. Now, what are the top 4 strategies that he's going to cover in the $97 program? The first one is email marketing. The second one is social media training. And the third one is paid ads training. And the fourth one is the course creation training. This is going to be a very valuable investment, guys. If you're a complete beginner and if you want to learn on your own, then you can enroll into this Beginners Club, which is $97 one time. And what you get? You can get lifetime Facebook group support, and also you will get your questions answered on Facebook group in less than 24 hours. And it's more of like a do-it-yourself program. You can watch the videos and you can start your business. Now, the second program is called Star Club. This costs you $2,997 one time. And what you get in Star Club, it's everything in the Beginners Club, plus you get an 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom session, which is 60 minutes each. And you will get direct messenger access to the mentor, and you will get all your questions answered within 12 hours. This Star Club is for those guys who have already started the affiliate marketing or email marketing journey, and they just want to learn the advanced strategies regarding email marketing or social media marketing. Then this Star Club will be suitable for those kind of persons. And the final one, which is the Inner Circle, which has a success rate of over 82%, guys, which is truly remarkable. And this costs you around $6,997 one time. Just listen to me. Now, what you get in this Inner Circle program? You get everything in the Beginners Club and you get everything in the Star Club. Plus, you can work directly with the mentor perpetually until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 USD in profit for consecutively 3 months, guys. Now, who else across the world has a plan like this? Now, there is no coach or mentor online who is giving this kind of commitment or guarantee. Now, what he is guaranteeing you that he will work with you until you make $5,000 in profit, guys, not revenue. I'm talking about in profit for consecutively 3 months. And what you get apart from this commitment, so he will work with you once a week one-on-one Zoom session, and that is going to be minimum of 60 minutes. And if you have more questions, he will be happy to help you guys. Now, there is an important catch over here. Before enrolling into any of his Star Club or Inner Circle program, you always need to do one thing, guys. Just click on this check curriculum. Before you enroll into the Inner Circle program or the Star Club, you need to book a Zoom session before you enroll. Now, this Zoom session is a complimentary Zoom session. Now, what is this Zoom session all about? Now, it is a complimentary Zoom session that mentor will have a one-on-one session with you to understand your goals, your desires, and most importantly, what is your capital and what is your time commitment, and how willing and what kind of never give up attitude do you have in order to succeed in this business. Once the mentor knows your goals, your desires, your capital, your time commitment, and whether if you are a good fit for the mentor and mentor can really help you, then you can enroll into this Inner Circle program. So you can check all these details over here. What all the Inner Circle program is going to give you: one-on-one mentorship and 90% done for you systems over here, landing page, software integration, 45 days email sequence, leverage on our brand, and allowing you to insert your Microsoft UET tag to our funnel pages for remarketing purposes. So if you're someone who is serious about building an online business, and if you're a complete beginner, or if you are a 9-to-5 job worker who want to quit your 9-to-5 job, and please enroll into the Inner Circle program. And having said that, it's not like all persons who have had the complimentary Zoom session with the mentor is directly taken into the Inner Circle. He has rejected people who he deems not fit or who he can't help with them in their online goals. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.